Hi, this is Sheriff Craig Webre. 50 years ago, when I was a young boy growing up in Kramer, my friends and I enjoyed playing the children's game of hide and seek. And if you had the role of the seeker, you'd close your eyes, you'd count to 10, then you would announce, "Ready or not, here I come," and you would seek the hiders. I say that because my sense of where we are as a community is ready or not, here we come. I'm so very proud of the people of Lafourche, our families, our businesses, our churches, our community. We've really come together. We've abided by the guidelines that have been set forth by our officials, and we have flattened the curve, and we've made great progress. And now that we're in phase one, people are starting to get out more. Businesses are opening. But a word of caution, the coronavirus is not gone. It's not eradicated. It has not been eliminated. It's still here, and it can still infect people. It can still put people in the hospital, and it can still take people's lives. The coronavirus doesn't spread itself. People spread the coronavirus. Let me illustrate with an example. Everyone's familiar with glitter. I don't care how much you try. It's going to get on your clothes, in your car, on the floor, on your face, on your hands. It's going to spread. And that's what the coronavirus is. While it's microscopic and invisible to the naked eye, it's there. And a good visual understanding of how it spreads is the way that glitter gets everywhere and stays there for a long time. So where does that leave us? Well, we're now in a position to exercise personal responsibility and to understand there's an assumption of risk. Personal responsibility means that you have to evaluate individually and on behalf of your family and people that are under your care, what risk are you willing to assume? You have to make decisions about where you go, when you go, what sort of protective measures you're going to take individually, and which activities you'd like to engage in. I am eager to join my friends for a crawfish boil. I can't wait to go to a restaurant and get served by a waiter and enjoy a good meal or a movie. Those are all normal activities that we all engage in. I can't wait to go back to church and sit in a pew and minister and get spiritual guidance. But we all have to individually make our own decisions. Like other essential businesses and government organizations, for the past couple of weeks, the Lafourche Parish Sheriff's Office has continued to provide services, but has made many modifications designed to avoid face-to-face contact. And when necessary, additional precautions such as hand washing, distancing, failure to touch, wearing of gloves or masks have been employed. We're going to reopen our lobbies. They've been open on an as-needed and by appointment basis. But we want to encourage you to continue to use the techniques and the measures, the digital opportunities to transact business, pay fines, get information that you've become accustomed to using. Those are good, practical, efficient measures that should continue, and regardless of whether there's a coronavirus or not. Please pay particular attention to the fact that the legal system, the judicial system, will be soon reopening on a limited basis, but inevitably will expand to full services. There'll be some modifications, but issues like court appearances, subpoenas, jury duty, property taxes, sales and seizures, and other notices are going to be delivered. Pay close attention to releases from the Sheriff's Office, the court system, parish government, district attorney, and state. Don't let your legal rights get compromised because you neglected to appear or complete something that may have been started prior to the pandemic. I'm excited to move into this next phase. I'm looking forward to what the future holds. I'm very proud of the men and women of the Sheriff's Office who have worked diligently through this pandemic, this unprecedented worldwide event, and have served with dignity, professionalism, and honor. Welcome home. Thank you, Lafourche. God bless you.